Hello there, guys. Welcome back to a short online tutorial with myself, Jack. I'm one of the tutors at Blue Sky Graphics. And of course, as always, it's my absolute pleasure to welcome you here today. The reason why we are here today, guys, is to discuss how would we create our own mock-ups. Mock-ups are a great way to demonstrate your work to future clients. It makes your work seem more imaginable, believable, and just gives that extra sense of professionalism to your work. Now, obviously, you can go onto multiple websites online to download very cool mock-ups. But sometimes what you would like to do is build your own. And obviously, that's why we're here today. As you can see, guys, we have this laptop image in front of us. And what I would like to do is place a design within the screen of the laptop. The first thing I'm going to do using my rectangle tool is create a rectangle. Okay, let's affect this now. You don't need to worry about what color goes in there. I will be placing black in there just so it helps. And then I'm going to remove the stroke. Beautiful. Okay, so what I would firstly need to do is I need to convert this shape into a smart object. So with the layer highlighted, what I'm going to do is right click and convert to smart objects. Using the move tool, what I'm going to do now is move this into place. Now, what I would need to do is obviously make the angle of my shape here perfect for the screen. And obviously, as you can see, it doesn't work at the moment. So what I'm going to do with the layer highlighted is press Command T on Mac or Control T on Windows to bring up my transform options. I'm then going to right click and distort. You must always distort for you to be able to create your own mockup. Now, what I'm going to do now, let's zoom in, okay, and line these up perfect so we can fit within that screen. Okay, do you bear with me just a couple seconds? What I'd love for you to do when you're doing this is spend the time in getting this, all the finer details perfect. So your life is and designs are beautiful. Okay, there we go. One more to do. Perfect. Let's just double check that. Oh, good. Okay. So I have now created my shape. Actually, what I may do is just give that a little bit more of a tidy up in the corner there. And there we go. Okay, perfect. So now what I need to do is I need to double click on my layer thumbnail here. So if I was to double click, that will now bring me to another tab. And this is where you could either place your design or do some designs. Okay. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to add some type. Okay. And make this look a little bit cool, let's say. All right, so I'm going to use my marquee tool and get this highlight aligned correctly by using my move tool. Perfect. Command D on Mac or Control D on Windows to deselect. Command T on Mac or Control T on Windows to transform, to be able for us to resize our image like so. Okay. What I'm going to simply do now is I'm going to add a layer. I'm going to go to View, New Guide Layout. Let's remove the columns here and let's apply a little, let's say we stick to that margin. Okay. I'm going to create a selection using my marquee tool. And I'm going to right click. I'm going to add a stroke. Let's put it on the inside. Potentially let's increase that a little bit to 15, let's say. Okay, and now if we use the press Command D on Mac or Control D on Windows to deselect, and I'm going to press Command semicolon or Control semicolon on Windows to remove our guides. I'm very happy with what I've got here. Now, all I simply need to do is either go to File, Save, or as you can see, the shortcut is Command S on a Mac or Control S on Windows. And then if we just go back to our original tab, as you can see, my design has been placed within my mockup. So there you go, guys. That's how you build your own mockups. If you're interested in finding anything more about our school, the courses we offer, don't hesitate to visit our website at blueskygraphics.co.uk. Also, what you can do is take a look at our Instagram page with some of our amazing work by our amazing students at Blue Sky Graphics UK. Thank you very much, guys. Take care, and I'll see you next time.